Assalamu alaikum, man. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial, another vlog. So today we're going to be talking about how to split your image for Instagram to capture that maximum real estate. So we all know in Instagram that to get the most views, what statistics show is you post it vertically, you cover the maximum amount of space when people are scrolling up and down on Instagram. So to do that, we want to make sure that we post images that are that big. But what happens when you got a really cool image and it's just in landscape? You know, you can't post it? No, of course you could. But when you post it, it shrinks it, right? You lose all that real estate. You go from a nice fat image like this to a compressed, smaller image just like that. So what we're going to show you today is how do we split this image and make it massive? And this way, turn it into a little carousel. So this way it looks like a panorama and you capture maximum amount of data. Now there's a few reasons why you would want to do that on Instagram to also increase your likes and possibly follows. But we'll talk about that after. So right now we're going to jump right to it. We're going to show you how to split your image. And this is really, really easy, by the way. It takes minutes. So how to split your image for Instagram. Let's jump right in. All right, so right now, you guys, I'm in the Lightroom, and what we do in Lightroom first is I just find it easier to color correct my image, color correct my photo. So for the sake of time, I already jumped ahead of you guys. So this is the before and after. So here we got one image right here. Let me just click on develop, and this is the before. This is the after. I'm happy with my image. I like the way it looks, and I think this is the one I'm gonna go with. So after I do all my edits, what I wanna do is before I go into Photoshop to split it into two, I need to crop it a little. And what you do is on the top right corner, you click on the crop option, and then you choose 16 by 10, because this is what Instagram is going to give you for the maximum height. So you wanna be ready for that. So you crop, watch your corners, you crop it, you hit done. Now you're ready to go into Photoshop. So you right click, or MacBook Pro, two fingers pressed down, and then you go to edit in. Then you go to edit in Photoshop. All right, and we got our image loaded. So first thing you wanna do is on the left-hand side, what you wanna do is you wanna click on the crop tool, hold your finger down on it, and bring up the slice tool. When you bring up the slice tool, it gives you like a razor sharp type of cutting device, or cutting tool. So click on the outer side, top left corner is how I like to start, and then swipe down until the line clicks. And then when you see it click, just like it did for me right there, that's the absolute dead center. Boom. So we're done with that. And then what you want to do is you want to go into File. This is the very important part. Export and save for web. All right. And if we click on the minus, we're able to see two sides split into two. All right. So you want to make sure you have JPEG chosen here, and you want it for the maximum quality at 100. Now, this is a very, very, very important step, or else this whole thing's not going to work. On the bottom right side where it says image size, width, and height, you want to go down to the height section, and you want to put 1350, because that is the maximum height that Instagram is going to allow you to do. All right, so after you click on that, looks like it shrunk our image down, but image stayed the same size. So 1350, and the width is 2160, but it's automatic. Once you put in the 1350, it puts it in there. Then you click done, or you can click save if you choose to. All right, now you want to make sure you save it in somewhere that you're going to remember, a place that you're going to remember. So in this case, for the sake of demonstration, we're going to save it onto the desktop, and we're going to call it test image. All right, and we're going to hit save. Now we're going to go to our desktop and try to find this image and see what it looks like. All right, so now we got these two images side by side. split nice and even. They're perfectly done, ready for me to put onto Instagram. I am going to highlight both, click on AirDrop, and then send these over to my phone because I'm an Apple guy, so I'm just gonna use AirDrop, and then I'm gonna show you how to post them from there. First, you wanna choose the carousel option, which is right over here. Okay, the multi-photo option, multi-pic option, I guess is what you can call it. You wanna choose the first one you see, and then the second one. All right, and then you hit next. When you hit next, you'll see them connected together. And they're vertical, they're huge, they're massive. So now instead of having a little tiny image, you're having a massive, massive photo, which is cool. From there, you guys know how to post it onto Instagram. But what are some other reasons why you'd want to do this? Well, number one, Instagram has this cool thing. So where if, say, one of my friends posts a photo, I somehow don't see it. I skip over it by accident and I forget to give them a like and a comment. Well, since it's a carousel now, it's more than one photo. When I go back to visit Instagram again, it'll bring it up to the top and show me photo number 2 in case I want to have another look at it. And I might say, wow, hey, look, I didn't see this the first time around. This is pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and give them a like and give them a comment. So this is basically giving yourself another chance to capture a like and a comment, engage with your followers, which we discussed before. It's definitely a good thing. You don't want to miss it, and you don't want to miss out on doing something like that. Missing out on the opportunity to get more engagement is what I'm trying to say. But anyhow, more than that, also, your photo just looks a lot cooler. So that's gonna be it. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. If you guys did like this video and you did like this tutorial, please give me a like and a comment down below. If you wanna see how my photos look on Instagram, visit me at TG from Dubai right here. And give me a follow, it'd be cool if you'd like. And please give me a subscribe, like, and a comment on this video if you like it. Thanks again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Assalamu alaikum.